Hello to the group. Doing another unboxing of a casting rod, a lightweight, ultralight casting rod. It's 1.68 meters in length. Lure weights from 2 to 7. It's supposed to be 95 grams, which we'll see because I'll weigh it out. Got it at AliExpress. It was $30, which included shipping, which included 15 or 16 day shipping, which is really good from AliExpress coming from China. This is how it came shipped in plastic. I cut the side of it off to save us some time because unwrapping this stuff is kind of crazy at times. So I purchased this thinking I was going to get into bait casting BFS, but I've since moved to spinning BFS, like I've shown in my other videos, but I still just might get into it. I still just might buy an Aldebaran, Shimano Aldebaran BFS reel. Comes with a bag. So what attracted me to this on AliExpress, like I've said before, is how much everything weighs. And it's under 100 grams, which you really have to look out for because that is very important, the weight. The weight, like I've said in all my other videos, is very important. And it includes a really nice case too. And it's, 4-piece. Right off the bat, it's pretty nice. It is pretty nice. All carbon fiber, wrapped, no markings on the handle. Pretty generic. It's got some Asian lettering right here. Let's put it together. See what it looks like. Wow, I am, so far I'm really impressed. We'll see how it balances, but it is crazy lightweight. That is money. That is, it's got a little bit of a whip to it. Not too bad. But that, wow, I'm gonna have to get a BFS reel now. A casting reel. Because I think this is really nice. This is really nice. Okay, I'm gonna break it down. And so, like I said, it was 30 bucks with shipping, and it's just insane. It's incredible. And you get a case. I don't know. It's amazing. You can't find this stuff in the States. You just can't. All right, I'm gonna pull the camera down, flip it around, and then go over here to the scale. So stand by. Okay, I'm here at the scale. Let's turn this on. Let me turn on the light. It's a little bit better. Let's see what we get here. .48 ounces. And nothing's touching here. Nothing's touching there. 3.48 ounces for a $30 rod. Wow. And for multiple piece too. Multiple piece rod, 3.5 ounces. I'll do the conversion. I'll do the conversion and post it in the notes for grams. But there's 28.35 grams to an ounce. I don't have my calculator here and I can't do it in my head. Okay, so I just did the conversion in grams, and it comes out to 98 grams. So 98 grams for about a 5.5 foot rod. Crazy. That's just awesome. Really good stuff. So I'll put the link in the description of what this rod is and where it's available, blah, blah, blah. It's not an affiliate link because it's China. I haven't figured out how to do that, but I don't care. And I suggest taking a look at this because I think it's going to be a winner. Hasn't been on the water yet. Just got it today. We'll see. All right, later. Okay, quick correction. I thought this was a 1.68. It's actually 1.8. So 1.8 meters. 1.8 meters is 5.8 feet. Yeah, quick correction. I got confused, got all excited, didn't know what I was talking about, but now I do. All right, out.